Did a blizzard result in the death of thousands of people? Throughout history, weather has resulted in some unfavorable outcomes for many people. There was one such blizzard, named the 1972 Iran blizzard, which lasted from February 3rd to February 9th. The result of low temperatures and severe snowstorms caused the death of over 4,000 people in Iran. What came after was over 3 meters of snow, or around 9.8 feet, that covered the grounds. Some reports even suggest that the snow came as high as 8 meters tall, or 26 feet, which trapped more than 4,000 people at the time. Cold temperatures and lack of food resulted in over 4,000 people losing their lives.